Hello, this is Dr. Garrett Castleberry, Program Director for Communication, Media, and Ethics here at Mid-America Christian University. I am here with our Creating Social Media Presence and Cultural Movements, COM 4603, Week 2 Interviewee Introduction. All right, so in Week 2 of our course, we will be bringing in via digital exchange a young entrepreneur in the gaming industry, someone that has toggled between some content creation in both digital gaming design as well as tabletop board game design. An individual that has a vast network of associates in the gaming world, someone who's worked as both volunteer and paid organizer for gaming conventions, and thus someone that can speak to various levels of expertise, particularly in that niche area of tabletop gaming. All right, and so a unique opportunity to engage with a young professional, someone that works in the area of content creation, an aspect of our communication, media, and ethics degree that we are invested in increasing our ability to generate content, whether it is written analysis, oral or video analysis of a text or artifact. We engage in content creation. Could be an audio file or video file or both. And so without further delay, the name of our guest for week 2 is Brian Neff. All right, and Mr. Neff comes to us from Boston, Massachusetts, where he is currently located, and has shifted around a bit. Original native Oklahoman, all right, fellow Okie, also spent some time in Texas, particularly with the organization DFW, that is Dallas-Fort Worth Nerd Night. And Brian can tell us all about that. He was involved in the DFW Nerd Night, or DFWNN podcast that was simultaneously had a video stream. And so I just want to read a couple of Brian's experience markers, right? Professional experience on his resume to gear us up for our week 2 interview protocols. Okay, so as I mentioned before, he has some outreach with the organization DFW Nerd Night. This includes creating a social media page and website for their organization, gathering participant data, and creating effective outreach programs and plans. All right, so think about those as you're writing questions you may have in that previous professional experience bracket. Also, there is some experience with design and development, waitress games. All right, so this includes creating testing and development plans for clients. All right, so and in between managing and working with clientele, maintaining professional looking website and digital portfolio, as well as content for the website waitressgames.net. All right, and finally, here are a few projects that Brian Neff has been engaged in recent years. Titles like Betrayal Legacy, all right, where there was some writing, design, and development. Seafall, development there. Charterstone, playtesting and development. Mountains of Madness, writing for Mountains of Madness. All right, where's our Lovecraft enthusiasts? I think I know one. And finally, Feudum, something in development or perhaps experience with development. All right, and so look forward to your questions for week 2 for our guest speaker, gaming developer, young entrepreneur, and creative labor for hire, Brian Neff. We are excited to help you develop your interview questions this week and then engage them. Don't forget, we're taking the best of our weekly discussion questions and presenting them or representing them as our video discussion response for that discussion 2 section of D2L. All right, so for creating social media presence and cultural movements, Dr. Casberry saying, we will be talking to you all very soon. Thank you.